Well, farmers are dealing with the after effects of the windstorm and are preparing for the damage anticipated yet again tonight. ABC4's Northern Utah correspondent Jordan Verdadero spoke to the farmers on their losses.
This is just one of several peach trees impacted by the windstorms on the fruitway in northern Utah. Farmer Randy Lemon shares with us about his season's loss.
So yesterday we started at the crack of dawn. The peaches that were able to be picked.
Putting peaches in baskets, hopeful to sell the last bit of what is left after the windstorms.
So everything that you see on the ground is a loss and you don't get it back.
Trees ruined, split down the middle.
You'll get your first basket off of that tree in about the age of 4 or 5 years. From that point forward, it's a fully producing tree up to the age of 20, and then it starts a slow decline.
Lemon says many farmers are 2/3 into the peach season. He's lost about 30% of this fruit.
Your profits are really towards the end of the season, and so this will bite into your net pretty strongly.
All that's left is the cleanup and starting from the beginning.
We will walk up and down this entire orchard, the 2,800 trees, with chainsaws, and we will trim up everything that's a broken limb.
Remaining hopeful for what's left to sell of the summer and anticipating next season.
Mother Nature dictates a lot more than you can control. You just learn to roll with the punches.
Lemon encourages residents to come on down to the fruitway because there's still plenty of good crop to go around. Reporting in Willard, Jordan Verdadero, ABC4 News.